If you haven't done so, please hit that subscribe button. Hey everyone, welcome to Dancing with Deana. We're gonna go ahead and do that step touch, toe strut, and hitch. So let's go ahead and get started. Step touch going forward on the right. Weight is on your left. So you right touch. Let's do the left. Weight is on your right. Left touch. Step touch by the count, right and left. Weight is on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step touch going back. Weight on your left. You're gonna step right. Take the weight, touch left. Step left, take the weight, touch right. Weight on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Toe strut to the right. And I'm gonna show that to you on the side so you can see my feet much better. So you're gonna step right toe, drop that heel down. You're gonna do the left side. Weight is on your right. You're gonna step out left toe, drop that heel. So let's do that by the count. A right toe strut, left toe strut, going forward. Weight on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm gonna show you what it looks like from the side. Your weight is on your left. You just simply bring that knee up on the right and hitch. Just how it sounds. So let's do the left side. Weight on your right, hitch left.